Hi everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today I want to show you our interface video that we did for a Mercedes GLK NTG 4.5, 4.7. So basically, if your GLK menu looks like this, that means it's a 4.5, 4.7 NTG. So you can add our interface video, which is plug and play. This is our interface video for backup camera. It comes with a T harness. So basically the square harness that it goes to the back of the radio, you plug it out and you use our T harness. Female side goes to the male side of original harness, and the male side goes back to the radio. And there is one green wire which is LVDS wire. You plug it out, plug it into our interface video, and the LVDS wire which is provided with our interface, you plug it to that screen. And that's all about it. You run the camera from the back of the car, no need to connect it to reverse light, or you don't even need ground. So just run the power to the front with the RCA cable, and here we have a blue wire which it says camera out. That's the trigger for the camera, so power camera to camera out. And as you can see, when you go to reverse, the screen shifts to backup camera. And also it comes with dynamic parking guidelines, so by turning the steering wheel, dynamic parking guidelines turns to. If you're interested to get this type of interface videos, I put the link on the description. So any Mercedes with that shape of menu, you can add this interface backup camera. Thank you and have a great day.